Craig, analysts were already expecting disappointing numbers, but were these numbers worse than you expected?
Well, I think they were worse than everyone was expecting. They were worse than in terms of earnings and revenues as well. So I think all in all, it's no real surprise to see that the shares are down more than 2% already, because all in all, they are pretty disappointing numbers. But I think there are a few bright points in there as well. We saw that the dividends risen by 6% to 19p a share. We've also seen that things like the emerging market story still looking good. We saw an 11% increase in the emerging market sales. So I think there are a few bright spots in there, but I think overall, the headline figures that you're going to see is going to be that surprisingly poor earnings and revenues numbers, which is why we are seeing the numbers, which is why we're seeing the stock struggling shortly after the release.
Craig, Glaxo also saying that they expect to maintain a respiratory leadership position well into the next decade. Do you think this is fair, given that Advair sales are under pressure, that new drug Breo is also, seeing slower uptake than expected?
Well, I think it's fair, and at the end of the day, this is an area which they've been a leader in for quite a while now. So I think it is fair. Yes, we are seeing slower sales than the company was hoping for, and given the fact that this is such a key area for the company, this is an area that investors are going to be concerned about. But the company seems very confident that, like you say, they can keep it going into the next decade. And given past results, there's no reason why we should really doubt them.